Awesome. Yeah, I'm on. So this is Pierre. He just rolled by on this really cool bike.
Secret bus.
It is cool.
Go check out my bus here at the Vanbuild.
Okay, you're a little too close so I can't get that shot. There we go.
Okay.
So tell me, what is it? It's a, you tell me.
This bike is made by Daymak. It's a New Yorker fatty because of big tires. It has 72 volts of lithium. It has 5 levels of power assist and 7 gears on a wheel.
Yeah, but the key is, are you going to let us ride now?
Yeah, right? I know, I was just making a little video. He's telling me about it. It's so cool.
There you go.
So tell me what about, like, you pump it, how does it work? It's a pump bike or electric?
It's electric.
So
you just plug it in at night and it charges overnight.
But when you're riding it, it looks like you're just riding smooth. There's no any noise or anything.
No, it's quiet. It's electric.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, no motor, no gas, nothing.
And then you have a seat for your girlfriend?
Yeah.
Awesome.
And
cell phone holder, you said? That sounds cool.
I got, like I said, it has 7 gears on the wheel. And I got 5 gears on the power assist here.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool.
Little bell.
Wow.
Disc brakes on the wheels.
Disc brakes, look at that. Oh.
Right here is a disc brake here.
And those tires are sweet. You can get over all this rocks and dirt.
Year-round tires.
Awesome. Thank you, Pierre. We'll come by and see your bus.
Right on.
Super stoked.
See you later.
Okay, bye.
See you later.
Bye. Look at it. He doesn't even have to do anything. It just goes. He puts one pump on and then it rides. It's so cool. Awesome. This is TJ. She's just like me, just starting out. She's only got a cot in there. All right, don't leave me yet, Felix. Oh.